Hi everyone, welcome to Fussy Messy, because children are always fussy eaters and messy makers. Today's video is all about toys review. These toys which I bought recently for my kids from Amazon. This is a very short but a nice review. You will definitely understand what comes inside it, and in the end I will also show you which one was my best. So this was the first one. This is a watercolor book. So in that pen we have to fill some water and make a nice coloring. See, in this we are not using any colors. It's just the water, which it's a kind of magic pen. When you put some water and some apply it on this white paper, the colors will come automatically. The children will feel like it's a magic. And the most wonderful thing in this is that this water dries up. I mean to say, the color which you are seeing, the green color, the bush color, and also this cat color, they get dry up after some time. See, this cat color got dried up. So we can do it again and again. It's not the normal coloring book. It is just awesome. We can reuse it again and again. So coming to the next toy, this is from the brand Skillmatics, and this is really very awesome skills which I found. They are very nice. They are very unique. So the most important thing about all these toys is all are reusable. So what I found inside this is a cloth and a marker. It's a marker. Okay, that silly Billy, it's a marker, and the back side of it to erase the marker marks. So what I found inside it is some of the sheets. The sheets are really very interesting. So the certificate there, after the completion of all the skills given, we can give our child a certificate. That's too awesome. Very nice. Next, see these little activities. They are very unique. They are very awesome. My child really loved doing all these activities. Very nice activities. My child really loved all these activities, and I really loved these toys. The next and the last one, and this is my best one. My children loved these toys. This is, we generally see in the normal toys. Generally we see them daily in the cartoon channels and all that. So seeing them, only I bought these toys. So it is just like arranging them and making them fall. So what I found is it was looking bigger in the real picture, but it came very small. They are very small. So in this way we enjoyed. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.